This is Ansu from this side. I hope you are doing great, doing well. Today I landed with new lecture. New lecture. This is a lecture 32. Sorry, just why I have to give my introduction. What I am. I am a multi-asset trader and quant developer. It has been 5 plus experience in the financial market. If you have any doubt regarding market or anything else, just ping me at 9521429487 or 72378665 guys. This is my WhatsApp number, or you can also inbox me via this number. Okay, so without much ado, let's get started. This is the lecture 32. Okay, wait a second. Lecture 32. Lecture lecture 32. What is about that? That is the what is the currency market? What is the currency market? Currency market. Okay, guys, you can imagine, you can think about this lecture. Behind this lecture, what will be over there? Okay, what is currency market? In the currency market, Indian currency market, also called like foreign exchange market, like forex market. Okay, indian currency market indian indian currency market Indian currency market, also called foreign exchange market. Foreign exchange market. Exchange market. Like, you can say in simple word or two words, in two words, like forex market. Forex market. Okay. In India is where currency are bought or sold. In India, where currency bought or sold. In India, in India, where currency currency bought or sold. Bought or sold. It is that place only. It is that place. It is that place only. Okay, where trader, banks, and corporates, and even individual exchange one currency for another. Okay, where traders, where traders, banks, corporates, individual, individual exchange exchange one currency, exchange one currency, one currency with another currency, with an other currency. Guys, if you are watching this video, please like, subscribe, share, and comment. And if you having any doubt regarding any market like currency, forex, stocks, commodity, crypto, anything, just ping me, or you can message me. Okay, wherever you have doubt, just ping me or WhatsApp me. Okay, mainly in Indian market, INR. This is the brief word. Okay, in Indian rupee. Indian rupee. Indian rupee like against other global currency like other global currency other global currency other global currency like USD, EUR, JPY, and GBP. This is the this is what this is all global currency which are pegged with our Indian currency. Okay, like USD INR. Okay, EUR, Euro INR, Euro INR, JPY and INR, GPB INR. Okay, up to I hope up to this level, up to this lecture, you got understand what I am trying to say in this lecture. Okay, now I am going to discuss further that types of currency market. Okay, types of types of currency market. Currency market. Guys, I am requesting to all of you that if you like this video, please share, subscribe, and comment, and send this lecture and send this channel to your friends, to in your family group where many people who do not know that what is market, basically what is financial market, what is currency market, what is um, stock market. They will also learn this lecture. Okay, types of currency market. First one is spot market. Spot market. Okay, in this market what happen, can you imagine? Immediate delivery of currency. Immediate delivery of currency. Delivery of currency. Okay, settlement usually happens t plus 2 days. Settlement settlement happens t plus 2. Okay, basically this market used by uh, importer or exporter. Spot market used by importer or exporter. Okay, importer or exporter. And second one is forward market. Forward forward market. Forward market means agreement of currency for buying or selling at a future date at a fixed price. Okay, agreement agreement between agreement between two party two party buy or sell buy or sell at a fixed price at a fixed price in future in in future date. Okay, third one is what is future market. Future market Future market. Mostly, guys, this market only for traders like all of us. For trader only. For trader, for trader only. Okay. But right now, our Indian market has been set for retailers like me or all of us. Okay, because of government do not want to uh, or give the permission you can trade in currency market. Okay, you can do exchange, but this is illegal. Sorry, this is not my recommendation. You should jump into the exchange or jump into the forex market. This is your up to this is your choice. Okay. Future market like traded traded on exchange like BSC or NSC. Traded traded on exchange like NSC and BSC, like NSE and BSE. Okay. And second topic is standardized contract for future delivery of currency. Here you will get standardized contract. Standardized means this is the rule and regulated by our Indian government. Okay. Standardized by exchange standard by exchange like NSC and BSC, like NSC and BSC. Okay, I am giving few example which we can trade, currency like USD INR, USD USD INR, Euro NIR, Euro INR. Okay, futures. Only you can trade future market. You can't buy sell spot market. Okay. And another one is option market. Option market. This is very fascinating market. Option market in Indian market also, in stock market also. Option market. Everyone are jumping in the option market without learning or without anything else. If you are coming in the market, any market like currency, whatever marketing, in whatever market you want to jump, if you are coming without learning, definitely you have to pay the huge amount. Option market gives the right but not the obligation. In this market, this is the definition of option market, guys. Give the right but not the obligation. Give the give the right give the right but not the obligation. But not the obligation. Obligation. Okay. To buy sell currency, to buy sell currency currency in future. Okay. And I am going to tell few major currency which trade in our Indian market, Indian currency market. Major currency, major currency, currency. Okay, which traded in our Indian currency market. First one is USD INR. USD INR. Guys, if you want to make notes, you can note it down. Definitely it will help you in the future if you are coming the market. It will boost your knowledge. USD INR, Euro INR, Euro INR. Okay, third one is GBP INR. Fourth one is JPY INR. Okay, this is the US dollar. US dollar. This is what? Indian rupee. Indian rupee. Okay, this is what? Euro and R. Euro. This is what? GBP. Great British Pound. Like you can say British Pound. British Pound. British Pound. JPY na Japanese. 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 N. Okay. This this is most this is the currency pairs which trades in our Indian currency market. Only except this, you can't trade any currency or any currency pair. If you trade any currency from any market like forex, XNS, from anywhere, definitely you have to pay the huge amount to the RBI. You have to give the response to the RBI why you are jumping into this market, which is illegal in our India. Okay, let's get again next topic. Where is it traded? Where where is it traded? Traded. It trade NSE, BSC, and MCX. MCX now MSEI. But nowadays MCX is MCX. You can say MCX like MSEI. This is another name of MCX. Trading timing. What is trading timing? Same like 9:15 to 5 p.m. This is the different. This is the difference between stock market and currency market. Trading time. Trading time. Trading time. Trading time is equal to 9 a.m. 5 p.m. Okay, guys, if you are watching this lecture, you can think about that why trade in the currency market. Why we trade in the currency market? You can just pause this video for 1 minute and think about it. Why we trade in the currency market? Why we trade currency market? Currency market. Guys, this is the also a very good lecture in which I am going to tell some secret to all of you that which will boost your knowledge when you are giving the lecture in between many among the people. They will think that that guy know very well. Okay, so for hedging, first one is hedging. Second one is speculation, and third one is arbitrage. RB arbitrage. Hedging means what? Protect against foreign exchange risk. Okay, especially this is hedging. Hedging is only for importer or exporter. Only for only for importer importer and exporter. Okay, speculation means like take advantage of price movement to earn profit. Take advantage advantage take advantage of price movement. Take advantage of price movement to earn profit. Okay, and fourth one is arbitrage. Sorry, third one is arbitrage. Arbitrage means benefit from price benefit from price from the different exchanges, exchange market exchanges. Okay, like if you are buying a currency in NSC. Okay, suppose price is 100. Okay, and another exchange BSC price is 99. Okay, here in this market, in this exchange you can buy, and here in this exchange you can sell the currency, particular currency. Okay, this is the basically arbitrage. Guys, I'm telling one thing: if you are retail trader or day trader, you can trade currency futures or option with a broker like Zerodha, Upstocks, etc. Okay, just like trading Nifty or Bank Nifty. And guys, this is lecture up to you here, up to only. If you are like this video, if you are watching this video, please like, subscribe, share and comment, and share this video to who want to learn financial market, currency market. Okay, okay guys, please like, subscribe, share and comment. And if you have any doubt, just you can call me or WhatsApp me. My phone number 95214294877237866511. Okay, okay guys. Then till keep learning, keep exploring, and keep enjoying. Okay, bye guys.